If you need to update your iPad and you don't have access to Wi-Fi, there's a couple of options to get your iPad updated. One easy option is to use a hotspot from another device. I could, for example, set up a hotspot on my phone, doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or Android device, you can use either one, and then connect the iPad to the hotspot. When you do this, the iPad sort of tricks itself into thinking it's on regular Wi-Fi, and you can then download and complete the software update. Usually this works fine, but some carriers might block large system updates over hotspot. If that's the case, you can update through a computer. I have a separate video for this, and it's actually a good option when your iPad is low on storage. You'll connect the iPad to a computer and then use the computer to update it. On a Mac, you'll just do it through Finder. And if you're on a Windows computer, you can download the Apple Devices app and use that. And of course, if your iPad is the cellular model with its own data plan, you can usually update using the mobile data. If you have 5G, you might have to allow more data on 5G data first. You can do that from Settings, Cellular, Data Mode, and from there select Allow More Data on 5G. And that's how you update your iPad without a Wi-Fi. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more simple guides like this.